Till now, you have came to know about pointers, declaration of pointers, and initialization of pointers. Now let's start with the class. Suppose I have a variable a like int a which is equals to 10, and I have initialized its value with 10. Now I need a pointer. As the variable a is integer type, so my required pointer will also be of integer type. So I will declare it here. I'll write int star p and a semicolon. Now let's discuss about the variables first. We know a variable is associated with three parameters. What are the parameters? I am talking about variables. So they have a variable name, then we have its value, and then we have the address. So here for the variable, my variable name is a and the value at the variable a is 10. Now this variable must have an address in the memory location. Let's say its address is 24560. Now let's learn about pointers. So let me cut this part. Okay, now we have this pointer, and now we are talking about pointers. So a pointer is also associated with three parameters, and these parameters are pointer name, then pointer value, and the address of pointer. We know pointer is also a variable, so it has occupied some memory location in the memory. Suppose the address of this pointer has also an address which is 72159, and the name of the pointer, this pointer has name p. Value stored in the pointer is always an address. So if I store the address of variable a, then value at the pointer p will be 24560. Here I have taken 72159 and 24560 just to explain. But an address have hexadecimal values, so if you want to store the address of float type variable, then you must have to choose float type pointer. So let's write it clearly. We have the variable name which is a, then I have the value at this variable is 10, and the address of this variable is 24560. Now let's come to the pointers. My pointer name is p, and the value at the pointer, suppose under this I have written a statement like p is equals to the address of a. Okay, now the pointer value is 24560, and the address of this pointer is 72159. Now if you print a, suppose you have print the value of a, then you will get 10. If you print p, you will get 24560. If you print the address of a, then you will again get 24560, and if you print star p, then you will get 10, and if you print the address of p, then you will get 72159. So here we can conclude that pointer is also a variable, but a different type of variable which can hold address of another variable. So that can be a perfect definition of a pointer. Let me repeat it for you. A pointer is also a variable, but it is a different type of variable. and the capability which makes it different is that it can hold the address of another variable. Let me tell you, if you want to print the address of a variable, then you cannot write %d, %c or %f, and also you cannot use %u because it is for unsigned integer. Here you can use %x, which is for hexadecimal values, and we know addresses are hexadecimal. You can use %x in uppercase and lowercase as you wish. You write uppercase %x, then the address will be printed in uppercase. And if you write lowercase %x, then printed address will be in lowercase. We also have some standards in C to print the address of any type of variable through %p. I have told you about %x because we know address is a hexadecimal value and %x is used to print hexadecimal values. But we also have %p, which is particular for printing of address. So I recommend you to use %p whenever you print address. So the syntax will be like, if you are trying to print the address of variable a, then you can write printf, then %p, then a comma, then the address of a, like this. Here if you don't write ampersand, then it means you are printing the value of variable a. So to print address, you have to write ampersand just before the variable name. Now in the next video class, we will create a program to print this value. So don't miss that lecture. I see you there. Thank you.